Hi there, and welcome to What's Mark Cooking. Today I'm cooking stuffed vegetables. You can use a variety of different vegetables for this dish, but today I'm going to be using tomatoes and capsicum, or bell peppers as they're sometimes called. Personally, I think it's a pretty simple dish, so let's get the pots and pans out and let's get cooking. For today's recipe, I'm going to use about 300 grams of lean mince, 2 large capsicums, 4 medium-sized tomatoes, a cup of rice, half of the brown onion, 2 cloves of garlic, some salt, some pepper, some tomato paste, some oregano, and some potatoes and carrot for my side dish. My first step is to get the rice into the rice cooker and get it cooking. That's one task out of the way. With the rice cooking away, it's time to get on to the minced part of our filling. Into the bowl we put our mince, the pepper and the salt, and give it a bit of a mix. Break that up. Now it's time to cut up our onion and finally chop our garlic. First the garlic, you want to chop this fairly fine. Add the garlic to our mince mixture. Then it's onto the onion. Finally chop the onion. I think that's good enough. Add the onion to the mince. Now, add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to the mixture. 1, 2. And a good shake of oregano. Mix them all well together. Some recipes that I've seen you actually cook the mince, but I don't do that way. We're going to add our cooked rice to it and then get our vegetables prepared for filling. Sometimes you just got to use your hands to get in there. Mixing them all well together. Yeah, that's good. Let's put that to the side and we'll start working on our vegetables. We'll start with our tomatoes. We're going to cut just below the top of the tomato, not all the way through, just leave it back so you can peel it back. So you get a big spoon and work your way around and hollow it out. It should look like that when it's done. Be careful when you're hollowing out your tomato, you don't want to break through the wall. With our 4 tomatoes prepared, it's time to move on to our capsicum. Make sure you get out all the seeds, just like that. Time to start filling our vegetables. You don't want to pack it in too tight. You don't want to fill it up all the way up to the top. Just give it a little bit of space because the rice will still expand a little bit more. Put that on. On to the next one. And onto the tomatoes. And the last one. Now before I put that into the oven, I put about a cup of water into it. I preheated the oven to about 180 degrees Celsius. Into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Now, onto the side dish. I'm cutting the baby potatoes into smaller pieces. Around this size. Straight into the saucepan. After taking the top off the carrot, I cut into smaller pieces, around about the same size as a potato. They're just about ready to go on the stove now. I think the veggies are done. I'm trying to get them off the stove and drain them. Add some pepper, a bit of salt. Attach it with the oil of your choice. I'm using vegetable, you can use olive oil if you like. And a good splash of vinegar. Give it a good stir around, put it to the side because I think the vegetables in the oven are just about ready. They look done to me. Looks great, doesn't it? As always, it comes down to the taste test. I haven't cooked this recipe for about 5 or 6 years. I don't think it'll be that long before I cook it again. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, hit the like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Don't forget, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.